Sensō-ji Temple, located in Asakusa, Tokyo, is the city's oldest and one of its most significant Buddhist temples. Its history dates back to 628 AD when, according to legend, two fishermen discovered a statue of Kannon, Avalokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva of compassion, in the Sumida River. Despite their attempts to return the statue to the river, it repeatedly returned to them, prompting the village chief to convert his home into a shrine for local worship. The first temple structure was officially completed in 645 AD, marking Sensō-ji as Tokyo's oldest temple. This initial construction was likely modest compared to the grand complex seen today. Throughout the 12th century, the temple gained prominence as various shoguns and influential figures began to support it, enhancing its status within Japanese society. In 1590, Tokugawa Ieyasu, the first shogun of the Tokugawa shogun, designated Sensō-ji as a family temple, which further solidified its importance. This period saw significant expansions and renovations, including the construction of iconic structures like the Kannon, Thunder Gate, and Hosoman Treasure House Gate. The Kannon was originally built in 941 AD, but has been reconstructed multiple times due to fire damage. The current structure dates from 1960. Much of Sensō-ji was destroyed during World War II air raids on March 10, 1945. The main hall and other key buildings were rebuilt in the following years, with the current main hall completed in 1958 using modern materials while retaining traditional architectural styles. Today, Sensō-ji is a symbol of resilience and rebirth for many Japanese people. The temple complex includes several notable structures. Main hall, Hondo houses a replica of the original Kannon statue. 5-story pagoda, an iconic feature of Japanese temple architecture. Nakamai's-dori, a shopping street leading up to the temple filled with traditional snacks and souvenirs. Sensō-ji is not only a religious site, but also a cultural hub, attracting approximately 30 million visitors annually, making it one of the most visited spiritual sites. The temple hosts various festivals throughout the year, including the famous Sanja Matsuri in May. In summary, Sensō-ji Temple stands as a testament to Tokyo's rich history and cultural heritage, embodying centuries of devotion and community spirit while continuing to serve as a vital spiritual center for both locals and visitors alike.